So I'm going to urge everybody here to have in mind, and whether the market's good or bad, the question is, what's your goal? And then the purpose then becomes to achieve your goal and not get distracted. So many people will read about the market and watch on the news. The housing market's going to crash. The housing market's too competitive. The housing market, it's funny how half the news is the market's too competitive, the market's going to crash. It can't be both at the same time. And the reason is the news wants to sell eyeballs. The news is not education. What I can tell you is I've been in business since 1986. Everybody who bought a house in 1986 made a lot of money on it. Everybody who bought a house in 1996 or 2006 has made a lot of money on it. Even people who bought at the high of the market, 2008 or 9, have made good money on it, as well as enjoyed tax benefits. So it's not about the market, it's really about you and what your goals are. And you gotta get clear on them. And I would say this is a great time of year. Here we are, the last Wednesday of 2021. Get clear on what you want for 2022. Why? What do you want to do? What do you want to accomplish? We're going to talk the next few weeks about how to evaluate the market, how to take advantage of it, the process of buying a home, getting your financing set up. But the first step is we have to get our mindset clear. So again, the homework for this week is write down what your goal is. Do you want to buy a house? Where? What kind of house? Where do you want it to be? Do you want it to be a home, a condo, adult living situation, multifamily property? What do you want to buy and why by the end of the year? And then once you have that clear in your mind, if I can help in any way, reach out to me, or Patricia is a real estate agent, she can help. David is involved with credit cleanup, and he can help you make sure you're prepared if there's any issues with credit, help you get the best price for the loan or get you qualified for the best loan terms. So Patricia, what would you like to add to the subject? Here we are, hopefully people watching this or thinking about their goal for the year. What would you like to add to them to encourage them to get started in this process?
What I would like to add, Bill, is that I think what you mentioned about your, knowing your why is super important. Also, thinking about what type of, like you said, what type of property you want to buy. Sometimes we go into, this thinking we want to buy a certain size, we want 5 bedrooms or 3 bedrooms, but you could do very well in probably scaling down and not buying too much house. The other thing is just also thinking about what comes after homeownership. So you purchase a property, you have your monthly mortgage payment, you're going to have your homeowner's insurance and your property taxes as well. And just thinking about budgeting for certain things that may come up. You may have a plumbing problem, you may need to have a roof repaired. So having some type of, small fund to start saving is also a good idea. So just like with your car, if something breaks down with your car, you need to fix it. So I think just thinking about the general maintenance of a home also is very important to basically keep your home in the best condition possible since you're going to be living there. So you want to make sure everything is in good condition. And just kind of thinking about what that would look like after you're, in your home.
Very nice.